In this video, I'm going to show you how to make talking AI avatar on Canva. Actually, this one's really cool. You can make a lot of stuff using these apps on Canva. So let's do it now. First, click on apps. So we have HeyGen AI, DID AI presenters. You can use either of these two. I've never tried the others. Yeah, but anyway, I'll be clicking on HeyGen AI avatars, where you can bring photos to life. Amazing, right? So I don't want to use any AI avatar here. Maybe I can just upload one, like a picture of myself. So let's connect Hey Gen AI avatars to our account. You can create your account here, or you can just sign in using your Google account. Let me just continue. I've signed in successfully. I think it's now time to upload our picture. So let me put my face here. Let's click that, the rectangular one. Our background color is still white. Our text, space that again, and then choose a voice. It can be Jenny, Sarah, Bella. I'll be clicking on Sarah since this one is like an ESL advertisement. And now let us try to generate the AI video. And now that it's here, we can click on Add to Design. That's about it. That's how you can make talking AI avatar on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.